Hey guys, it's your boy David, aka I.M. I'm back. This time I'm just sitting down because I thought I just need to sit down for this one. Just a quick video this time, and as you can see by the title, you know what it's about. So for all of you that don't know, I am a vocalist and I'm also a vocal coach at Airbending Vocal Coaching Studios, where I have been teaching my clients since last year, April, Power Through Freedom. Now I was talking to one client in particular, and I was just expressing to her that before, in my journey of singing, during my journey of singing, especially with my background being mainly gospel, I used to feel as though I did not have a manly singing voice, or like a really rugged or heavy singing voice like gospel male tenors usually do. But I actually came to this conclusion: what you have gives you an advantage for what you are seeking. I'll say that again. What you have gives you an advantage, or God, what you have gives you an advantage for what you are seeking. So in other words, let me give you an example. In singing, it's easier to make a lighter voice, a brighter sounding voice, sound darker or heavier than it is to make a heavy voice sound lighter or brighter. So in that same sense, what I have already gives me an advantage for what I am seeking or what I am looking for. Like I was seeking to have this, you know, heavier voice, but what I have gives me an advantage. Another example is this year with YouTube. Do I have a DSLR camera? No. But what I do have is an iPhone that films in 4K. Like 4K. That's mad to me, by the way. Like phones are filming in 4K and 8K. But I have a phone that can film in 4K. And what I do have is the mind that can create anything and everything that I will or that I want. And because years ago when I started my Let's Talk series back on IGTV years ago, I kind of harnessed my editing style. So when it came time for me to start YouTube at the end of last year, I already knew how I was gonna edit videos because I had already used what I had beforehand on a different platform. Oh Jesus. Oh child. So when it came to me jumping onto a bigger platform such as YouTube, I already knew, like I was ready myself. I didn't feel lost in a way. I was already, because I had used what I had in the past, I was prepared. And it's like, I don't have Final Cut Pro, but I do have an iPhone. It has a plethora, an abundance of editing apps and different software that I can use to edit on my phone. Might not have a laptop, but I've got the apps to use on my phone. I personally use INSHOT. It's easier for me to go into any type of software, any type of program, any type of editing tool and apply my editing style there because it's simple and because I've already applied it with the simplest of things that I had before in the past. Now it's so much easier because I used what I had. Oh, so while this is going on, while I'm, you know, doing YouTube, I'm also running two businesses on the side. I'm running two businesses, but that's a whole nother video. So if you actually want me to talk about, you know, how to start your business in the pandemic 2021, comment down below. I'll definitely do it. In conclusion, in the future, wherever you see yourself, you are not gonna get there until you start utilizing the tools that you already have. And if you're sitting there saying, oh, my life is just trash, you really need to flip the coin. I'm gonna do a video about flipping the coin, but you really need to change your perspective because you're watching this video either on a phone or a laptop. And that means you have access to the internet either via data connection or Wi-Fi. Paying for Wi-Fi every month is not cheap. So whether you pay for it or whether you're getting it free, please be grateful. And I'm grateful for the editing software that I can use on my phone to produce certain quality, a certain type of video that fits the standard of my vision. My conclusion is just this: use what you have. You have to use what you have so that they can get replaced, so that the Most High can say, okay, I see you. Okay, cool. Let's give you something new. Let's give you an opportunity so that you can gain access to something that will get you to that place that you see yourself here, that you see yourself in your mind. Embrace having an attitude. My lips are so dry. Embrace having an attitude of gratitude. Embrace it. Embrace being grateful. Flip the coin. Like, I don't take seeing color for granted. I'm going off. And I understand I'm going off, but I do not take seeing color for granted. There's videos of this. People that literally can't see color. Go on YouTube and search it up, but they'll receive these like special glasses. When they put them on, they can just see color how we see color. They start getting emotional. We take things such as color for granted. I'm going off.
End the video, David.
Don't take things for granted. Things such as color, the fact that you can see color, the fact I can see like the color of these rings, the color of my hand, the caucasity, the melanin. Don't take what I'm saying out of context, you idiot. Anyway, use what you have. I'm gonna leave this quote with you. What you have gives you an advantage for what you are seeking. What you have gives you an advantage for what you are seeking. Peace, love and light. It's gonna be alright. It's all gonna be fine. Flip the coin. I'm gonna do a video about flipping the coin, yeah? Watch out for that video. Yeah, peace, love and light. I'll see you guys in the next one. But